A quick look into Finland convention that is happening today. Biafran government in exile and all Biafran all over the world decided to visit Finland for this convention that is taking place today. Actually, it's a 3 days convention that's going to take place in Finland, headed by Prime Minister of Biafran government in exile, which is Mazi Simon Ekpa, and all that cabinet. They are there in Finland and making things to happen. We are not going to waste much time. Please, before the commencement of this video, I would like to watch the video to the end. If you are new in this channel, if you are watching from YouTube, please subscribe, like the video, comment and share. If you are watching from Facebook, don't forget to follow the page, like and share as well. Make sure you comment so that Facebook and the YT will know that the human beings watching the video. Okay guys, I'm not going to waste much of your time. Let's watch and see when Biafran Prime Minister entered the convention. Let's see.
Biafra is here! Biafra is here! Biafra! No. Biafra is here! Biafra is here! Biafra! No.
You can see the joy. You can see the joy everywhere. Everyone is happy to see Simon Ekpa. Everyone is happy to see him. This is very, very interesting. Very, very interesting.
Results was so positive. Those that that voted for the democracy were about 12 million, whereas those that voted for them to remain under the old system, that is what you call monarchic system, were 10 million approximately. So the majority carried the vote. So from 1946, the organizing committee, the National Liberation Committee, organized themselves and they started writing their constitution. That is the reason why the constitution...
You are watching an update from Biafran Convention in Finland. This is part of the event that took place early hour today. The convention continues. They are on break at the moment. They will commence around 2 p.m. Finland time. So I don't know where you are watching from, but as you are watching this video, I will promise you that I'll be bringing update from what is going on there in the conference. Let's continue listening. Thank you.
Of Italy had its approval in 1947, and they furthermore gave what you call universal suffrage. Universal suffrage means universal right for what? Participation in politics. That is, right to vote and to be voted for, both men and women. With age limits that is from 18 years upwards. So in our own case, we already have have told us that, look, we are being colonized, we are being ruled in proxy by colonial masters. So hopelessness, ethnic cleansing of the indigenous people and the brain drain have conditioned our most African countries towards what? Uprising, and in order for them to attain what you call true democracy and a functional civil society. So before in our own quest now, what are we doing here? Today, if you watch what is happening, you see that ethnic cleansing, terrorism by jihadists, Fulani herdsmen, socio-political subjugations and persecution of the Biafran people by the Nigerian state since the amalgamation of the northern and southern British protectorate of 1914 to date.
Now showing green lights. It's now showing green lights.
Biafra Prime Minister speaking. Mazi Simon Ekpa.
We have just started. We will burn Nigeria down. That is what it requires to protect our people, protect our land. We will burn them down. I want you to understand that if you want peace, you prepare for war.
That is true.
What I've seen for the past 2 years is nothing to write home about. It's not anywhere in the media. Our people have been butchered, head chopped off by the people who are supposed to be protecting those people. The people they call governors in the southeast part of Biafra has become the tools and the killing machine.
Hope both of them are one is
We are not going to forgive them.
At all.
It's now
We have done a lot of damage. A lot of harm.
Let me tell you, we have just started. We will burn Nigeria down.
About this convention is that people that are on attendance are not, they are not out. They are not, so-called DOS members who happen to engage themselves in one thing or another in political in Nigeria and all that. You can see this our brother here on his arrival. He decided to make a speech based on what is going on and what is expected in the convention. Let's hear him and take the information on board as we go in.
Okay, we are here in Finland to keep the History Day, to witness the history, the Biafra made history.
Yes, sir.
Solidarity with Mazi Simon Ekpa and the adopted son, Simon Ekpa. We are here waiting for the rain to fall. Those that say they will stop our blood, we are waiting. We are waiting for you to come.
Nothing can stop us.
And nothing is going to stop us.
Not at all. Nothing is going to stop you.
Not people that are paid to come and do protests in the village. This is well organized. All civilized. So everything is moving accordingly. So we are waiting for them that say they will come and start whatever we are doing.
Okay, so I'll come back again, So as I here,
Another Rama is on attendance.
this is our defense minister.
The defense minister. Chief of staff. Not defense minister, this is chief of staff. We are watching Biafran Convention in Finland, 20th October 2023. Okay guys, I will stop here. Thank you for watching. Let's see on my next video. I will bring more videos to you as it goes on. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, share and comment. Thank you.
So we're here today, This is Madam Ariwa. Madam Ariwa. You can say that.
So we're here today, you know. This is Madam Ariwa. Madam Ariwa, you can see her. She's here today. You're all welcome, eh? You're welcome. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. You're all welcome. So, yeah, and the Igbo man with the second color. Color. You see, Igbo is color.
Important information that is coming out from the Biafra government in Exile, you know, in the convention that is taking place in Finland. Thank you for watching. I will bring more information to you in a short while.